Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar promises to be one of the most exciting in a long time. The non-farm employment change report, which is being released at 2:30 South African Standard Time, is the Black Star event of Black Star events. However, today being Good Friday is a worldwide market holiday, which means most of our instruments will be closed. This is going to be one for the books. But that's not all. Don't miss your chance to win a limited edition branded mug. All you have to do is like this video and answer this question in the comment section. What is the nickname for the euro? Is it A, fiber, B, baguette, or C, Eurobor? Also, make sure you are subscribed to our channel to be eligible to win. The giveaway will take place once we reach 300 subscribers. Terms and conditions apply.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar has slipped against some major currencies in thin trading as traders consolidated positions and ponder how the pivotal US job data coming out on a stock trading holiday might impact Federal Reserve policy and unleash a potential volatile market reaction. The closely watched US non-farm payroll report, which is being released later today, will follow disappointing manufacturing and service sector data from the Institute of Supply Management and private employment figures on Wednesday. Now let's look at the analysis for today on EURUSD. The fiber is currently within the resistance level at 1.092. Should we get a break of this level today with the NFP report release, we could see a rally all the way back up to the next resistance at 1.1. And if the results are really low, maybe even higher to that 1.11 level. Should the results, however, be positive for the USD, we could see a sell-off all the way back down to the next support at 1.075. Moving on to Wall Street, US stocks reversed an earlier sell-off to close higher yesterday, and Treasury yield steadied as traders digested weak labor market data ahead of US jobs report, seeking signs that the Federal Reserve could pause on rate hikes. All three major US stock indices bounced back, turning green by early afternoon, with mega cap momentum stocks putting the Nasdaq out front. However, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq finished the holiday shortened week lower after 3 weeks of gains, but the blue chip Dow gained for the week. Let's focus on the Dow Jones analysis. US 30 has consolidated at that primary resistance level for the last few days. Today's job data could spark either a rally or a decline on this specific index. All we have to do now is sit and wait. Moving on to commodities. One of the most crafty moves to boost the oil market should result in a weekly gain, at least in crude prices. This is exactly what the OPEC Plus got this week, but nothing more. Crude prices did not advance beyond Brent's initial rally to $86.44 per barrel and WTI's surge to $81.81, which came on the back of the announcement that the world's largest oil producers will conclude to cut a further 1.7 million barrels from daily output, after an earlier decision in November to reduce 2 million barrels per day. There is unfortunately no analysis on crude oil today as the instrument is closed for the public holiday and will only reopen for trade on Monday. Lastly, let's finish things off with gold. Gold prices dominated the headlines in the early portion of this week as the yellow metal showed a strong breakout beyond that $2,000 an ounce psychological level. While this wasn't the first time that gold has traded above that price, there hasn't been a lasting move yet. This begs the question as to whether we're seeing a longer-term range test of resistance, or whether the bulls are putting in the prelude to what could develop into another fresh all-time high. It would also be very interesting to see how gold prices react to today's NFP report. There is also no analysis on the yellow metal today as this instrument is also closed for the public holiday and will only open for trade on Monday.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.